We discuss today article. We know an and they are called articles. In fact, articles are domestic demonstrative adjective. Articles are of two kinds: article, definite article, and indefinite article. There is uh, indefinite article and an definite article. An, a, and an are called definite article because they are do not indefinite article because they do not nothing definitely. A teacher is teaching his students. Teaching is a novel professional. Example: an orange is a delicious food. Orange, there is an orange contains a lot of vitamin C. Use of a. Number one, generally a is used before consonant sound. Consonant sound because a is used before consonant sound. A pen is mightier than that of a word. Here is European boy. Here is European boy. Here is a European boy. A is used before vowels sound U. A is used before dozen, hundred, thousand, million, etc. A dozen of pencil. A dozen of pencil. A thousand of taka. A is used before word beginning with O when it sounds like wa. A one taka not. A one-eyed man. We should not laugh at a one-eyed man. An is used before word beginning with a vowel sound. An umbrella. An owl. An owl is a an owl is a nocturnal creator, nocturnal creator, and used before a word beginning with a ace, beginning with ace that sounds silently. An honest man, an honest man, an honest man, an honest man is honored by all. An is used before a word beginning with consonant that sound with vowel. He is an MBBS.